Hi guys! Welcome to our newest video. By the way, I am Janmar Begubuk Sarael, and I will be talking about the different single vowel sounds which we call a monopthongs. We all know that we have 5 vowels, which the A, E, I, O, U, and that vowels have different way of pronunciation and different meaning. When we are create a word that are using in some of the vowels which the A, E, I, O, U, and that makes perfect. But now I will be showing you the different kinds of single vowel sound in the screen, which we call a monophthongs. But however, when we came in a vowel sound, that many vowel sound, and these sounds can be spelled in a different way, which can be really existence. And these single vowel sounds tell something on the screen. It literally shows that how do we pronouncing each single vowel sounds. Sometimes we call it monophthongs. Remember, the pronunciation is basic. As we go through the pronunciation sound, you need to think about the 3 questions. Which is your mouth open, close, or middle? What position of your tongue? And what shape are your lips? Is it A, E, I? We have different kinds. How do we pronounce each of vowels? Maybe the words that we're using on that sentence. Yes. What position of your tongue? And what shape are your lips? Is it A, E, I? We have different kinds. How do we pronounce each of vowels? Maybe the words that we're using on that sentence. Yes. But now I will be showing you the single vowel sound, which is the monophthongs. I will be showing on the screen and take a look. So, okay. For the sounds of the first row in the screen, that you will see means the mouth is always closed. So let's pronounce the first vowels, the first vowel sound.
E, O, and U. The third row is obviously wide open. O, and O. For the sounds on the left, our tongue near our front of teeth. E, and O. And we're going to the right. Our tongues move back. U, O, and O. Then here we go again. This is our single vowel sounds, which we call the monophthongs. And let's look an example on the closed front and rounded vowel, which is close. E, as in me, this, need, and be. I, as in with, this, if, and think. Near back. As in put, would, look, and women. And the back. Oo, as in to, you, knew, and who. And we're going to the next, which the mid. As in get, when, well, and very. O, as in the, about, code, and us. U, as in her, work, learn, and word. As in also, more, and coal. Now, let's look at the bottom row, where the mouth should be almost wide open. As in have, that, as, and can. As in bet, up, when, and much. As in start, ask, large, and after. As in of, on, from, and not.
So that's all, guys, for the single vowel sounds of monophthongs. We should remember the important thing is the pronunciation is basic. And that's all. Thank you for watching.